Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, back out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in Liberty, Missouri. This is our commercial project where we are installing 34 of our King Piers underneath the footing of this building. This is kind of a little bit more complicated than what we assumed it would be when we got started. Normally we thought the footing would come out, about there. We'd be able to get everything dug out underneath, just move our holes a little bit further out than we normally do, and go from there. But this building has all of the fiber optic cable lines, sewer, everything is pretty much right on the edge of where the footing came out to. So we had to call an audible, we had to pivot, and once the footing was exposed, we marked out where exactly the piers were going to go, and we had the area saw cut. And then once that saw cutting was done, we came out here with a breaker, and we got all of the concrete broken up, which is what you see here. So we should be in the cleanup phase now on getting all of this rock and material out of the holes, and then we should be able to just get rolling on the digging. This is we need to be very careful with this particular job. We're not even lifting this one, we're mainly supporting it, but just with all the utilities, you can even see some of the lines right there. We needed to really make sure that everything was covered. We don't want to hit anything, so we had to be very careful marking out where the holes were going to be, and we had to be here throughout the cutting and breaking, just to make sure everything went according to plan. So yeah, 34 piers. We have 31 that's going to go across the whole back side of this building. One's going to go on the side on the corner there, and then we have 2 that are going to be on the side on the corner as well. But yeah, you can see here we had a lot of utilities, really too much to even bring the holes out further and dig under. There's just too much tunneling, so we needed to get more directly against the foundation wall. So yeah, it looks like a lot of the main issues with the concrete are dealt with now, so we'll get rolling on getting this all cleaned up, and then we should be able to get our other machine out here to expedite the digging. We've had the piers and everything ready for quite a while now. We've just had to get through all of this concrete first, so we would actually have a spot to install them. So yeah, right now, this week we're going to get a lot of the cleanup done and get started on the excavation, and then hopefully here very shortly we will be able to start putting the steel into place and get this building properly supported and wrap everything up. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on YouTube and Facebook if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC. And again, while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.